Big news for all crypto traders. Look at it here. Spot Ether ETFs receive official approval from SEC. This is a very, very important news for all traders, and this is going to impact on the price of ETH and every other altcoins. Okay. And once I saw that Blackrock joined this very race to get this approved, I know it's going to be a good deal because they have about 99% of approval once they begin to file in a particular ETF race. And this is what I'll be talking about in today's video and how it impacts on the ETH price and what we're going to see in the next coming days, weeks, and months as we hit into the bull run, and also on BTC USD. So watch this video to the very end. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about cryptocurrency, day trading strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Right here on the ETH chart, we've seen the market move up, and this very move was as a result of the rumor from this very ETF approval. And you almost hear of the phrase in the market that talks about buy the rumor, sell the news. So if you get across to the rumor, you buy the rumor even before it comes into the market. Okay, so before the approval, there was this rumor, and then the market shoot upward on ETH, and we did not see that big move on BTC. Okay, and this is the reason why market move upward, and right now we see this very little spike to the downside, and market is now trading at $3,750 per ETH. What I am expecting from here is very, very simple. Now, first of all, in the next weeks and months of trading, I am expecting that the market for ETH move to $20,000 to $25,000 per ETH in the heat of the bull run. That is the max I am expecting from ETH as a result of this very approval, because what this approval means is that it will not allow billions of dollars from this guy to flow into Ethereum and the altcoin market, because this is very important. And if that so much money is pumped into Ethereum and altcoins, then that means that this market is going to move aggressively to the upside. So I am expecting this market to hit $20,000 and $25,000. The possibility is very, 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 very possible. Okay, so what I am expecting right now is for the market to come back down a little bit on the 4-hour chart. If you go to the 4-hour chart right here, you see the market move upward from this very point, and we see a reduced momentum from this very area upward before this spike to the downside. What I am expecting right now on ETH is for the market to come back down a little bit before we see the next movement upward. What it means is that market is still going to move to the upside on the 1-day chart, but on the 4-hour chart, expect the market to come back down a little bit, not coming into this very point of spike where we saw in the past, but market is going to just come back down a little bit before the next move to the upside. So if market move this much to the upside, the market should retrace, and then before continuation to the upside on the immediate short term. This is what you should be expecting. Market is still going to move to the upside on the immediate short term. And if you look at the 1-day chart at this very point, you see that the market have already broken this very level of falling wedge, which is a resistance, before we see this very significant pump to the upside. Right now, I am still expecting this market to move upward. Okay, this can take some days before it will eventually move to the upside, and that very movement will come into play once we see that the 4-hour chart have satisfied that this very retracement that is coming to the market have been already taken out of the market. That means once this retracement move downward and satisfy liquidity, then market is going to move to the upside in line with the 1-day chart. So this is what you should expect right now. What that means is it is better for you to look for buy position than looking for sell opportunity in the market. Okay, look for buy opportunity or long opportunity instead of paying attention to shorting the market on the short term. And on BTC right here, if you look at it, you see the market break out of this very falling wedge, which is a continuation pattern bullish. And right here, market moved to the upside into this very level of important resistance. So from here, market come back to the downside. This very peak of resistance is very, very important right now, and that is what you need to pay attention to. Market enter into this point, and then we see rejection to the downside, which is very, very significant. And this very pump come all of a sudden, and the market come back down to the same point where the market moved from in the past. What it means is that this very bull move was not sustained for the market to come back to the downside, because if this bullish move was sustained, we should not see a instant move to the downside to the very point where it moves from. Okay, this is a common concept of liquidity. So because there is liquidity at this very area, market have to push back to the downside a little bit before it can actually move upward. So what I am expecting right now is very, very simple. I am still expecting this market to move upward, but we want to see the market come back down a little bit. Okay, so market move from this very area upward, retracement, and then continuation to the upside. Once we see a breakout of this very level of resistance, I am very confident that the market is going to create a new all-time high, okay, which is higher than this very point. I repeat again, once we see the market break out of this very level of resistance, which is very, very key right now, this very area was where the market stopped in the past before it moved right to the downside. And once we can create a new high that is higher than this very area of resistance right here at this price level of $72,916, then market is going to move drastically to the upside and create a new all-time high for Bitcoin. This is what I am expecting right now. So on the nutshell, expect the market to come back to the downside. What that means is from where it is right now, a little move is required to the downside before market is going to move upward on the 1-day chart. So still pay attention to buying the market as well on the 1-day chart, BTC USDT. And on the 4-hour chart, if we switch back focus to the 4-hour chart right here, you discover that the market is moving downward right now, although no structure have been broken right at this very point. It is clear on the chart that market move all the way from this very point of support to the upside and then retracement. If you look at the way the market is retracing, it does not have strength. Okay, so what it means is that market is going to move upward, but before that movement upward, we are going to see the market break a little structure. We have this resistance right here, resistance, and the market is creating another resistance at this point. So if that should happen, then it makes sense for us to say that market move down, retrace, move down, retrace, move down, retrace, market move down again. We should see a breakout of any of these structures. So market breakout of this very point mean that the market is going to begin to move to the upside. So your focus should be the market should break structure on this very movement to the downside, and that very structure is this very area of resistance right at this very point. Okay, this very zone is the area you should pay that very focus and attention to. Once we see a breakout there, the market is going to move to the upside. Then another thing on the flip side is that the market can come back to the downside and create a new low. That means market have capacity of coming back down and create a new low, lower than the previous low at this very point. If we see that, then it means that we can have a little continuation to the downside, and I'll update you guys on that very possible situation if it happened. Okay, so this is very important, guys. The most important thing in today's video is that this very ETF, the long awaiting spot Ether ETF, has been approved by SEC, and it is a game changer for the Ethereum market and for other altcoins. Okay, so this is very, very important. A lot of billions of dollars is going to flow into the Ethereum market. Okay, and other altcoins. This is very important. Support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. If you've not registered on Binance, OKX, Bybit, check the description of this video, see a link and register right now. Claim all the bonuses when you use the affiliate link in the description of this very video. Thanks for watching.